Hey there, this is Sora from Photoshop Tutorial TV. Today I will show you how to create realistic lightning effect with neon line effect in any photos. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open a background, then Ctrl J for copy the layer or duplicate the layer, then Ctrl T for transform on it, and then right click on this and click flip horizontal. Then click OK or enter. Then go to new adjustment layer and select levels. Little bit dark on it, like I'll choose 15 or 16 on it. Then click clip mask on it and close the window. Then open your subject. I will already cut out on it my subject. You will see after and before. I will cut this subject by using pen tool, and then go to new adjustment layer and select curves. Little bit dark on it on your subject and click on it, clip mask on it, and little bit dark on it as your choice, like this. Then close this window and then click your subject layer and then create a new layer. Change the blend mode to color and then click color box and pick light blue color, like this. Pick any light blue color and then click OK or enter. Then Control and 0 for zoom skin, and then select brush tool. Make sure your foreground color light blue which you selected. Then select on layer 1 and then holding Control key and click on this thumbnail. Select this your subject, then go to brush tool and zoom on your brush, like this, and brush on it full subject. Ctrl D for deselection. Now down the opacity to 45 to 50%. I will choose 41%. Choose on your choice or anything about it. Then click OK or enter. Then select brush tool. Make sure your brush size is only 15 to 20. Then go to pen tool and make sure path selected, not shape, path selected. Then click a new layer and draw a shape on your subject shirt, like this. I will speed up this process. Oops, one thing I will forget, and this is when this portion not is selected, then holding Control, click Control and select and click outside, and then click on it and create a new shape or path, like this. I will speed up this process also. When finished, then holding control key and select like this full, and then holding control plus for zoom your screen, and then right click, select this portion, right click, stroke path, simulate, cancel on it. At first check your color, foreground white color, then right click, stroke path, and then click OK or enter. See a white spot on it, and then click on it, and then click delete path, and then Ctrl 0 for full screen, and then create a new layer, change the blend mode to overlay or soft light, and then X the color change, and then open, and then click brush tool, size little bit small, and then color on it like this. When finished, then Ctrl 0 and copy 2 or 3 like this, and then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and near about 25 on it, and also same, process on it. Then create a new layer above curves, change the blend mode to soft light, then select a yellow color, light yellow color, then click OK or enter, and then select brush, and holding control key and select the subject, then control plus for zoom your screen, and select brush tool, for shortcut B, select brush tool, and then control plus for zoom your screen, and then color on it like site, portion little bit, just also for curve little bit, bigger brush for third bracket close, click, color on it like this, then Ctrl D for deselection, play with your blend mode. I'll choose soft light and down the opacity to 40 to 50%. I'll choose 50%, and that's it for this manipulation tutorial. If you want to crop this image, then click C or crop tool, then click once, and then control minus for zoom out screen, and then click on it, hold on screen, and then drag on it little bit, and then click. When finished, then click OK or enter, then control 0 for zoom your skin. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe.